Utah, are you ready to ignite your entrepreneurial spirit? We invite you to explore the iHandyman franchise opportunity. Imagine the thrill of owning your own business, backed by a well-established brand. Consider our unit franchise. It's the perfect stepping stone for those embarking on their handyman adventure. This fantastic opportunity allows you to interact directly with residential and light commercial customers. Become the go-to handyman in your community, either as a hands-on owner-operator or by leading your own team. Every home needs a handyman. Why not make it you? With the freedom to hire external contractors for larger projects, you're in control. Whether you prefer to work from a home office or manage a team, the choice is entirely yours. For a modest investment starting at just $39,900, you'll be up and running your very own iHandyman franchise. This package comes complete with all the tools and support you need to build a prosperous and rewarding business. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from our franchise owners. John from Austin says, iHandyman has completely transformed my life. The support I received from the get-go was incredible and my business is thriving. I can't imagine doing anything else. And Lisa, who operates her franchise in Denver, shares, the freedom and flexibility of running my own iHandyman business is unbeatable. I love that I'm helping my community while also building a successful business. This is your chance to join the iHandyman family. Become a part of our mission to deliver exceptional service to homeowners and light commercial clients. This opportunity is knocking at your door. Will you answer it? Visit us at gfobrands.com/iHandyman to learn more. So we have to ask, are you ready to take the plunge into entrepreneurship?